Shall we? We shall! It's starting! Not this move again! So not the vibe! Come on, join in! Oh yeah! Alright, class. Hey! Stop that immediately! Turn it off! We can explain! Save it! Sit down! Yes, ma'am! We're all ears! And totally bummed. Unless… I don't know. Just watch and learn. No phone, no problem. A few careful cuts are all it takes. Ready, set, hold! Funky, right? No way! Just watch. He's going down. Gotcha! That thing is awesome! I know, right? Such creativity! Hey! What's up? I'm pretty hungry. Me too. Thanks. Oh, what just happened? Oh, I guess my pocket was a little toasty. Whew. Okay. Hey, Mindy. Thirsty? I guess. Thank you. Oh no! My new dress! Today's gonna be different. Hey, these are for you. You like? Ugh, yikes! Ugh. Blood? Are you serious? Totally! You can do this for me, okay? Yeah, I got this. Don't stress. Is she in there? Yup, the time is now. You got this! Hey, how are you? Okay, take this. Thank you. What's this? A love letter? Oh, you're the best! Sorry, man. Oh, I can't do anything right. But that changes right now. Mindy has to know how I feel about her. I hope she likes it. Wow, isn't it neat? Here goes nothing. Ooh. Hey! Hey! Howdy! I made you this. What is it? Wait for it. Just wait. My love is growing. Wow! Nailed it. This was from me, by the way. Thank goodness! Finally! Hey, Ryan! Check it out! A new phone? The newest! Ooh! Hang on to your seat, bro. This thing will knock your socks off. Whoa! You weren't kidding! Wow! Wait, let me borrow that. My water bottle? No! Don't do it! No! My new phone! I can't believe this! That was rough, but maybe I can help. Let's go back just a minute. Before the phone fell to its untimely death. There. Stop! What? Trust me. Hope you're taking notes, cause this is a hack you'll definitely use. And you've likely got cardboard lying around, right? Okay, now turn it around here. And cover it with more blue paper. And your favorite stickers, obviously. But we can't forget about the back. Some popsicle sticks can do wonders. Just put them in on all the right spots. But these are arranged to be fully functional. See? Behold, a phone stand! What? You're gonna love this, trust me. Ta-da! You don't have to lean it on anything anymore. Just hit play. Wow! This is a game changer! Did you see her face? It's a classic! Let's see… Wait, I forgot to color in the balloon. Man! What happened? Look! I'll show you how to fix this. All it takes is some tape. Ooh. Whew, it's awfully sticky. Oh no. Wow! Look! I'm kinda busy right now. Look! Come on! Oh! She's sleeping. So cute. Right here, sweetie. See ya. Oh boy. Huh? Ooh. Got it! I knew it was in there, see? Nice. I know. Watch very closely. And next, see this little thing? Just stick the piece right here. Nice and snug. And she goes here. And then it's done! The perfect eraser keeper! Made by me for you! Thank you! I'll keep it in here, safe and sound. Thank you! Alrighty, here goes nothing. Just one more thing. Much better. A real Picasso. I made it! I missed my bus, but I brought my brushes! Or so I thought. Silly, Mindy. But how? I dozed off on the couch and I must not have noticed. Oh, I've gotta go back! Oh, over there! You're coming with me! Ugh, this thing sure was heavy. You need some paper? Thank you. Nice. But I need… hold on. Excuse me? You're home? My backpack! It's a long story. Say no more. Wait, are these for me? I got this! And I don't even need my backpack. Just this cute little box and these teeny tiny containers. Next up, some more cute paper shapes. But it holds these little guys. And this piece fits perfectly in here, but we've gotta keep it safe. No, I'm not painting my nails. I just need this. Also known as my teeny tiny paintbrush. See? Now comes the paint. Whew! All done here. Thank you! Bye! I still have time for a little painting. And I mean that very literally. What on earth? I know. All done. What do you think? I'm done too. Small but mighty. Interesting! You've gotta see this, come on! Okay. This way! See? No way! Wow! That's one nice laptop! I'd say so. And look how happy they are! That laptop was incredible! Totally! Just you wait. I may not have cash for a new laptop, but I do have an incredible vision! Just keep watching what I'm doing. All these pieces have a place. These perforations? Pop them out and fold it like this. It fits right on top. And now for a mini keyboard. It fits right in. And we're watching something awesome! See? Our very own laptop! Isn't it spectacular? There's so much to watch! Ryan? You're awfully close. Can you see it okay? Yep. Crystal clear. Hey, is that me? Yeah, I guess. Anyway. You drew me! Cool! Okay. I came prepared today. Oh, sweet pencil. All freshly sharpened. What? Wow, that's pretty cool. I bet I've got some colored pencils somewhere. Found one! So dull. But it's all I've got. A pink one would have been nice. Green is just no good to me. Mind if I borrow your pink? Hold on. What about my Q-tip? And just in time, I feel a tear. Perfect! Ooh, give me some of that. BRB! Hey, some ketchup, also known as the perfect shade of red. And last but not least, hello yellow. Perfect! I'm back and fully loaded. Ready to see them in action? How cute! And with this Q-tip, I just need this end. 'Cause it goes right in here. But we still need color. Wonder what the back looks like? That's right, it can store all my markers. This'll keep them in place. And this helps me push them down. It's brilliant! Yeah? It's like 4 markers in one. Red, please. So cute, right? Wow, you made that? I made this too. Very nice.
Curta e se inscreva para mais vídeos incríveis!